Do you use Pinterest to gather ideas for recipes and for your home? I'm going to talk about how to stop collecting and actually start processing the ideas for your remodel. Pinterest is a great place to gather remodel ideas as well as renovation tips. And what Pinterest is really powerful for is not just the ideas that it exposes you to, but it's a really great way to organize and be able to tap into additional information and dive down deeper into those things that you're drawn to. I'm going to talk about how to stop collecting and actually start processing the ideas for your remodel. If you had no problem gathering ideas, but need a little extra help with organizing and processing them for your remodel or renovation, I invite you to join my upcoming 5-day challenge called Pinterest to Progress. We're going to get you unstuck so that you're no longer accumulating idea after idea after idea. And in just 5 days, we're going to tackle the things that have been holding you back from being able to take action on your ideas so that you stop just accumulating ideas and having that become clutter that's not actionable. We're going to actually turn that into progress and into a project that you're able to implement for yourself and for your ultimate dream home. Head over to kickstarthouse.com/challenge and join me in the Pinterest to Progress 5-day challenge.